In today's lesson, we'll practice a real-life situation, arriving at a hotel in Albania. You'll hear the conversation in Albanian and I will give English explanations to you. Let's begin. First, let's see how to greet the receptionist when you arrive. Mirëmbrëma, mirë se erdhët në hotelin ton. Good evening, welcome to our hotel. To which you respond, Mirëmbrëma, kam një rezervim. Good evening, I have a reservation. The receptionist will usually ask for your name and details. Si e keni emrin, ju lutem? What's your name, please? Quhem John Smith. Rezervimi është në emrin tim. My name is John Smith. The reservation is under my name. Po, e shoh rezervimin tuaj. Yes, I see your reservation. Një dhomë teke për 3 net, apo jo? A single room for 3 nights, right? Po, sakt. Yes, that's correct. Now the receptionist will give you some practical information. Ju lutem, a keni një dokument identifikimi? Please, do you have an ID? Po, ja ku është pasaporta ime. Yes, here's my passport. Faleminderit, thank you. Ja çelësat e dhomës. Here are the room keys. Dhoma juaj është në katin e dytë. Your room is on the second floor. Shumë mirë. A ka mëngjes në hotel? Very good. Is there breakfast in the hotel? Po, mëngjesi shërbehet nga ora 7 deri në 10 të mëngjesit. Yes, breakfast is served from 7 to 10 in the morning. Shumë faleminderit. Thank you very much. Now let's see the vocabulary from all of this conversation. Mirëmbrëma, good evening. Mirëmbrëma, mirë se erdhët. Welcome. Mirë se erdhët. Hotel, hotel, hotel. Rezervim, reservation, rezervim. Emri, name, emri. Ju lutem, please, ju lutem. Shoh, I see, shoh. Dhom, room, dhom. Dhom teke, single room, dhom teke. Dhom dyshe, double room, dhom dyshe. Not, night, not. And in the plural, net, nights, net. Sakt, correct, sakt. Document, document, document. Passport, passport, passport. Çelës, key, çelës. Kat, floor, kat. Në katin e dytë, on the second floor. Në katin e dytë. Mëngjes, breakfast, mëngjes. And shërbehet is the passive of to serve, is served. Shërbehet, so mëngjesi shërbehet, breakfast is served. And that's how you check into a hotel in Albanian. Today, you learned greetings, asking about a reservation, and some useful hotel phrases. Practice this conversation, and soon you'll feel confident when you arrive at a hotel in Albania. If you're serious about becoming fluent in Albanian, send me an email at shqipify@gmail.com, which you can find in the description below. I will see you in the next video.